told me I had heart failure. This is what it taught me about money. They told me I had heart failure. And in that moment, money stopped meaning what I thought it did. I went from living life normally to being in a hospital bed trying to figure out what my life was going to look like moving forward. And when that happens, you don't think about status, you don't think about appearances. You think about one thing: security. And I realized something most people don't understand until it's too late. You can make good money, you can look successful, you can feel like you're doing everything right. But if life hits you the wrong way, you're exposed. I had to rebuild physically, mentally, and financially. And that changed how I look at money forever. Because money isn't just about lifestyle. It's about protection. It's about control. It's about being able to stand when life tries to take you down. Too many high-performing people ignore their health, ignore their foundation until something forces them to stop. And by then, it's not about getting ahead anymore. It's about not losing everything. So I created Winning Hearts Financial for one reason: to help people protect what they've worked for and build something that can actually last. Because if you fought through anything in life, the last thing you should do is lose it because you weren't prepared. If that message hits you, you're in the right place. Subscribe. Thank you, and you have a wonderful day.